now. Time to go racing. Thanks to Mr. Sam Dickel for wheeling that S3 machine around. It's his final ride tonight. Sam been at it a long time. I picked up many, many wins throughout the Ohio Valley area, Mid-Ohio Valley. Seen him win up Midway, legendary Hilltop, hell about everywhere. Thanks to Sam toting the flag, his final ride tonight. So up next will be first card on the docket, 4-cylinder dash.